Try this easy and cute idea. Color a cotton pad with markers. Place it in plain milk. And watch the magic happen. You have to try this with your kids. All you need is kitchen paper, markers, and water. Roll it up tightly into a caterpillar. Add water and get ready to be a maze. You need some colored paper. Fold it in 8 equal pieces. Cut the edges. Make a heart on the 3rd square from the back. And blow.
On a piece of paper, draw a heart. Do the contouring with black pen. Place it in a zip bag. Draw the contour. Put it in the water and watch the magic happen.
Magic letters. All you need is a paper towel and water. This is a great activity for kids to learn upper and lowercase letters.